Let's cook waakye and fried plantain with bigimama black-eyed beans. You can pause the video for the ingredients. Make sure to use bigimama black-eyed beans for the best result. Let's get cooking. First, we rinse our beans with water and pour it into a pot. We then add some water to the beans in the pot and set it to boil. Add some salt. Put either the waakye leaves or powder into the pot. Stir and leave it to boil. Once the beans is almost ready, we add the rice. Cover and let it cook. While it's cooking, we cut the plantain and fry until golden brown. We check if the waakye is ready. Fluff the waakye. Serve and enjoy. Welcome to our giveaway segment at official bigimama channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel so you don't miss out on updates of our best products from bigimama, Endless Love, and mcbrown products. Here is what you can win: a goodie box. Now let's find out what is in this box. Wow! Bigimama Gari, Bigimama Fufu Plantain, Endless Love Mackerel, pepper sauce from Bigimama, 3 different flavors of chin chin, endless palm sauce, Bigimama spices, Bigimama corned beef, sardine, Inkati cake from Bigimama, black-eyed beans for Bigimama, Banku mix from Bigimama, cocoyam fufu from Bigimama, of course, palm oil from Bigimama, some more spices from Bigimama, and a Bigimama prestige rice. This goodie box is worth over 100 euros. How do you win this goodie box? We will give out this goodie box to 10 lucky people who have left a comment under this video on why they need to win this goodie box and what they're going to cook with the products in this goodie box. Another way to win this goodie box is to send us a photo of the dish that you make from Bigimama products, Endless Love, and mcbrown products. This giveaway ends on the 31st of August 2025. There will be a raffle and the winner will be picked at the end of the month. If you are the lucky one, congratulations! We're going to send this goodie box straight to your doorsteps. We'll contact you, we'll take your address, and then send this goodie box straight to you. It doesn't matter which part of the world you are, we will get it straight to your doorstep. So don't forget to like and subscribe at our channel at official bigimama so you don't miss on our giveaways and videos. Stay blessed, stay tuned, and eat well. Eat Bigimama.